Hey, what's going on? My name's Tim, one of the founders here at Scary Good Marketing. And if you're watching this, you are watching the 31 days of Scary Good Marketing tips and tricks. And today I want to talk about the Airbnb strategy. So what is the Airbnb strategy? Now, if you're a business that can capitalize from people that are traveling from out of town, whether you're a restaurant, you're a bar, you're an event, whatever it is, if part of your business can really benefit from tourism, this is a strategy that's really going to help you out. So what you want to do is look at all of the Airbnbs that are in your serviceable area, right? And really take into consideration how far people are going to be willing to travel from the Airbnb that they're staying at. And what you essentially want to do is once you have a list of all of these Airbnbs that are in your serviceable area, you essentially want to reach out to the Airbnb owners and just let them know, like, hey, for example, let's say that we are a restaurant. I would go to that Airbnb owner and say, hey, we see that you have an Airbnb. We're interested in possibly seeing if we can do some kind of partnership. I have this little piece of marketing material that I would like you to put in your Airbnb as part of maybe like a welcome package, or a lot of times what I recommend is just getting those little clear tabletop stands that you can put a piece of paper in, or get something made that can sit on a table. And what you want to do is essentially create some kind of an offer, right? So if I was a restaurant, I would maybe do something like, get a free dessert when you come in, or maybe free appetizers, whatever it is that you want to do. You want to have that on this little piece of marketing material. And you want to essentially get the Airbnb owner to put that in their Airbnb, maybe on the little coffee table, wherever it is. That way people can see it whenever they stay there. Now, what you want to do is whenever you're talking to an Airbnb owner, you want to come at it from the approach of you are able to help them provide more value and provide a better experience for the people that are going to be staying in their Airbnb, and is going to help them get better reviews so that they can rank higher in the Airbnb search engine. And that's kind of what you want to do. The other thing that I would do is, if I was a restaurant, and if they're willing to do this, I would say, just come in and I can give you the promotional materials, and I'll essentially buy you dinner, bring your family, everything is on us. Let's just plan a time in this upcoming week for you to come in, and I can give you the promotional materials, and then you guys can have, a completely free dinner on us. And that way you're kind of incentivizing them to actually go along and let you put this piece of marketing material in their Airbnb. And then the ad itself can be something just as simple as, welcome to whatever city, and just tell the people, like, if you take a picture of this advertisement and you come in, you're going to get a free appetizer totally on us for coming and visiting, right? And that's something super simple. Everyone has phones. The guest just takes a picture of it, and then they go in and they show you the picture. They get the free app. They get the free appetizer or whatever it is that you're offering them. And now you're able to generate new customers really effortlessly, and you're standing out amongst all of the other restaurants or events or whatever it is, because you're able to put this small piece of marketing material. And like I said, I don't know how many times that we've gone to an Airbnb and I've never seen any kind of promotional anything. And if you do a lot of traveling, you know that the first thing that you do is you go and you essentially set down all of your stuff, maybe sit on the bed, and then you start looking at maybe places to eat or things to do on your phone. But with this, you're able to put something in front of somebody that is not in a median that they're necessarily used to. And it grabs their attention, and it's something that's really easy and cost effective, because once you have that thing printed, it pretty much, that's your end cost, right? It doesn't really cost you anything to make sure that that's still in there. And then by having people take a picture of it, you know that it's still there, right? You're able to kind of keep tabs on it to make sure that the Airbnb owner has actually put it in there, and that it's still there every time a new customer comes in. So that's really the Airbnb method. So I hope that this strategy helps you to at least get more money from tourism. That's really cost effective and should be in your marketing strategy. So that's it for this video. So make sure to be back here tomorrow for another tip and trick.